Essay on Quaid-e-Azam in English. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was one of the great leaders of the world. He was the founder of Pakistan. He was born in Karachi on 25th of December 1876. His father was a pig merchant of Karachi. He got his early education in a local school. Then he entered a missionary school and passed the entrance examination. He went to England for higher education. After 4 years, he obtained the degree of bar at law. He started practice as a lawyer in Karachi. Then he tried his luck in Bombay. But in the beginning, his practice as a lawyer was not rewarding. But after some time, he was recognized as a distinguished lawyer. Quaid-e-Azam struggled hard to get a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. In the beginning, he was the member of Indian National Congress. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. Later on, he joined the Muslim League and devoted his life for the creation of Pakistan. Pakistan Resolution was passed in 1940. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan appeared on the map of the year. It was a great success for him, but he showed no sign of arrogance, rather he was humble. Quaid-e-Azam was physically weak and thin, but he had a strong willpower and devotion to struggle for his ambition. His health was not good, but he did not care much and worked day and night to materialize his dreams. He faced a large number of problems and hardships, but he remained resolute and firm in his belief. He was a courageous person. He was brave and fearless as well. He had a great judgment and always had his own opinion. He had to travel incessantly to awaken the Muslims. He had to work late at night. He always decided rationally. His standing point had been convincing and justifiable. Quaid-e-Azam was sincere to his mission and to his nation. He pursued his way honestly. He served the nation selflessly. He was a fearless and shrewd politician. He believed in the policy of work, work and work. Whatever he said, he meant it. Quaid-e-Azam was a great orator. He made his audience spellbound with his impressive speech. He was a disciplined person. Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor-General of Pakistan, but he was not satisfied with the future of this land. He always addressed and advised the students and the nation to work honestly for the progress of the country. He wanted to see Pakistan free of injustice, repression and poverty. He also knew that we are to go still a long way to reach this goal. He spent whole of his life for the achievement of an independent country. Now it's our duty to continue that struggle with Quaid-e-Azam started, for the uplift of the nation and its people. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.